Hi everyone, in today's video we will be talking about the benefits of turmeric and its amazing health effects. Turmeric is a root that belongs to the turmeric plant. It is used in Ayurvedic medicines in India. It has several health benefits. This is precisely the reason why it is used as a spice in most Indian foods. The root is dried and then pulverized to obtain the turmeric powder. It is yellow. They are also called Indian saffron. Having understood what turmeric powder is, let us go on to know its benefits. Turmeric is derived from an Asian plant called curcuma longa. It comes in powder form with a bright yellow color. The use of turmeric dates back to ancient Greek, where the doctor Dioscorides used it to stimulate appetite and cure indigestion. In India, turmeric is one of the main ingredients for your cuisine. Not only that, but it is also used in celebrations and weddings as a sign of good luck. Interestingly, monks have used turmeric to dye their ceremonial garments. We can see why it was considered a valuable substance and was called Indian saffron in the Middle Ages. It has excellent antiseptic qualities to heal bruises and burns. It is included in many of the skincare products as an important ingredient. It has 3% essential oil and 5% curcumin. Curcumin is the polyphenolic compound that is used as an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent. The importance of curcumin may explain what turmeric powder is and its benefits. It is also used for stomach disorders. Stomach disorder causes boils in our mouth. A teaspoon of turmeric powder is added to a glass of milk and taken at night for a couple of days to clear mouth sores. Recent studies have shown that herbal supplements like turmeric will help improve the body and mind. There are numerous medicinal properties for turmeric. It is an antiseptic and antibacterial agent that can be used to disinfect small wounds. Plus, a natural antivenom for king cobra snake bites, according to research by Dr. Eric Lotman of Aston University. Cancer. There is ongoing research to discover the healing powers of turmeric. But studies have shown that it inhibits the growth of tumor cells and the transformation of normal cells into cancer cells. It also helps stop the blood supply to the growth of cancer cells and destroy cancer cells. In particular, Chinese scientists discovered that turmeric had been shown to buffer the hormones that cause prostate cancer. When combined with radiation therapy, researchers at the University of Alabama were able to destroy prostate cancer cells that were previously resistant to treatment. Other uses. Turmeric. It is a natural anti-inflammatory substance. It can be used for arthritis, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. Chinese medicine has been using it to treat depression for years. Turmeric can even be used to prevent and slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, biotech companies are conducting studies to use it to treat male pattern baldness. Benefits of turmeric. The benefits of turmeric and herbs are not uncommon these days, and many people are switching to herbal supplements. When turmeric is included within a multivitamin, there are many reasons for its use. Take a look at some of the latest turmeric and herb benefits so you, too, can make the herb change. Turmeric is used in Indian food, most commonly Indian curry. There is a powerful ingredient in turmeric called curcumin, and this is where all the medications and healing agents are found. Curcumin has many therapeutic benefits that can help many people with many problems when extracted from turmeric. Curcumin is a very active ingredient when it comes to supplements and multivitamins that is designed to help lower cholesterol and high blood pressure. Many people take multivitamins simply because they want to protect their bodies. The benefits of turmeric and herbs, when taken in the right supplement, will help promote your overall health. These multivitamins can act as active antioxidants, which can help protect your body and cells. When looking for turmeric and herbal supplements, be sure to find a supplement with an herbal extract that comes directly from pure turmeric. When a standardized extract is not used with the supplement, you won't see or feel the results you need to see. If the multivitamin you're looking for turmeric and herb benefits is offered at a lower price, you're probably not looking at the actual product. If you don't buy the right turmeric and herb supplement, you won't get the active ingredients needed to reap the benefits. The health benefits of turmeric are many. It is one of the plants that have been historically used in Ayurvedic medicine, which is still widely practiced throughout India. Ayurvedic medical practices which was developed much more than 2,000 years ago, but most of their treatments were never incorporated into modern Western practices, which were developed in Greece. Most of the benefits of turmeric have to do with digestive and liver health. People who experience bloating and gas after eating a meal will find that consuming the extract or cooking with the spice improves the condition. Like milk thistle, it can be used to improve liver health by reducing congested ducts. It has been used to treat hepatitis, cirrhosis, and jaundice. It is also interesting to know that the benefits of turmeric have been known for thousands of years throughout Asia, but a university in the United States recently tried to patent an antibiotic ointment that contains it. That shows how separate the opinions of doctors in the US are. One of the benefits of turmeric is to treat and help prevent infection. It can be beneficial for people suffering from herpes and other viral infections. It can also help prevent frequent yeast infections. It works by interfering with viral, fungal, and bacterial replication or growth. Turmeric's benefits are due to a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for the yellowish-orange color of the roots. Scientific evaluation has shown that curcumin has anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, antioxidant, and anti-cancer activity. In laboratory studies, curcumin has been shown to kill cancer cells without negatively affecting healthy cells. That is a unique trait for a compound. Many compounds will kill cancer cells but will damage surrounding tissues. Recent media reports on the benefits of turmeric have boosted supplement sales, but the reports fail to mention some important facts. Curcumin has low bioavailability, which means that it does not easily enter the bloodstream when taken orally. 10,000 milligrams causes only very slight increases in blood serum levels. Supplement manufacturers can use different approaches to provide turmeric benefits and address this low bioavailability problem. Supplementing with 100,000 milligrams is suggested by one of the popular companies. A dose like that can cause diarrhea and iron deficiency. The researchers remind us that antioxidants can have pro-oxidant effects if consumed in large quantities. In other words, too much of a good thing can be bad. One of the best supplement manufacturers allows you to reap the benefits of turmeric with a moderate dosage of 50 milligrams. They do this by including an enteric coating and adding piperin to the mix. Piperin increases the bioavailability of many nutrients. In the case of curcumin, it increases bioavailability by 2,000%. In addition to the benefits of turmeric, you may be interested in other plant extracts that have similar qualities. Some examples are green tea, ginkgo, biloba, olive leaf, and grapeseed. We will stop here in today's video. Please don't forget to come back for the part 2 so as to understand better this amazing plant and its powder. Thanks for watching this video. Please, subscribe, like and share. See you soon.